Guys, this is the Black Friday 75% off offer. I'm so excited to say that. It took me ages to persuade the guys that we could give that much discount. So we're really pleased to be sharing it. Now, inside the box, as I explained, is a service kit. Service kits are really important. I said that this is a part that everybody should be changing once a year. And it is really important to help with the longevity of the Figaro that you change these parts. So in the kit is an air filter, a fuel filter, an oil filter and some spark plugs. Now, when these parts aren't changed annually, we see rapid deterioration of the engine. You'd be amazed at the amount of Figaros we have in that have small vermin living in the air filter that eventually end up going into the engine and damaging parts of the intake system on the engine. The fuel filter is really important. There's a lot of deterioration and corrosion in the engines from dirty fuel, and the expense and time of changing a filter is really worth it. But probably most importantly, the oil filter. When the engines fail through dirty and congealed oil, which is very common, the damage can amount to thousands of pounds, and so it's really important to change these once a year and try and keep the engine clean. And along with the spark plugs, which can deteriorate, I think this is one of the most important things that you can do to the car to keep it on the road. So get yours on Black Friday. Be one of the first 30, because we can only get 30 of these. Make sure you're signed up to the newsletter. Thanks, guys.